Hello everyone, welcome to ACEBOTT car kit family. So in front of me, these are all the ACEBOTT small car kits. So inside this pack, this is the QD001 package. When you open it, you build it, you code it, you will get a very excellent QD001 small basic car kit. So look, the shape is pretty cool. So it got maximum wheels, 2 LEDs, checking modules, ultrasonic, and this is the easy plug. You build it and you use our ACE code locally programming and you code it, you put all the codes inside. You can use our app to control this car kit. But more amazingly, let me introduce, you can see all the car kits in different shape and functions. So you might have questions, do I need to buy duplicate car kits? Of course not. So let me introduce, for example, you can add different expansion pack into this basic car kit to turn it into different shape and function. So in my hands, this is the QD002 Expansion Pack. So this is the ESP32 camera. So when you add this expansion pack to the QD001 small car kit, you will get a very excellent QD002 camera car kit. Okay? So when I add it, when I'm going to the beach, it's sand everywhere. I want some car who can actually drive in the beach. So you will add QD004, the tank expansion pack with the tank shack. See, pretty cool. So I'm going to install this to the QD001 small car kit. It will turn into a tank car kit. So look, so this is the QD004 with tank shack. So it could actually drive and very speedy in the beach. So I'm gathering around with my friends and families at a weekend. I want to play some games with my kids. So what I'm gonna do? Alright, I'm gonna get QD005, the water launcher shooting expansion pack. So inside it got water balls, it got protective glasses, it got a water launcher. Oh, it looks like a gun. So after you add this expansion pack to the car kit, what it will become? It will become a car kit with shooting functions. You can use your phone app to control this car kit to shoot the target. We got a very excellent electronic scoring target. So when you put it together, you can have some contests and games with your friends who is gonna shoot the more targets, who will wins the game. How amazing is it, right? The sound is excellent as well. So coming next, we have more. So the QD007, this is our rubber arm expansion pack. I love rubber arm. Rubber arm is the chain. So when you get this rubber arm inside, so this is the rubber arm. Let's check it out. All right, it's got some blocks, it got some servos right here. So when you install this into the basic small car kit, it will become a car kit with the rubber arm. Also, you can control the car kit and rubber arm together by our ACEBOTT app. So all is designed and controlled by our ACEBOTT app. Very amazing. But solar energy is another chain, right? So when we add the solar energy expansion pack inside, it got a solar panels. It got different servos right there. When you install this to the QD001 basic car kit, it will become a solar energy car, right? Students could actually put it under the sun and they will absorb the solar energy and turn into the electrical power to the battery to charge our battery. So students could learn, they can also provide power for your car kit. But coming more, so this is my favorite one. The GPS, alright? So this is like the high tech. So you can see this is a GPS module. This is a QD009. When you install the GPS module to the car kit, it will become a car kit with GPS function. You enter the GPS point in your laptop, in the code, the car kit will drive to the point you set. Alright, as long as you set the right point in the map. So imagine you're controlling the car from long distance this still works. Amazing, right? And more amazingly, you see, you can only add the expansion part into different cockpit and turn into different shape. But these expansion packs could combine together. Let me show you one example. This is our small cockpit. When they add up the QD005, the shooting target, and the QD004, the tank track, it will become like this. Of course, you can add the QD002 camera packs right here. See? So, expansion pack could combine in any ways you like. You don't need to buy duplicates cockpits like before. Just one basic cockpit plus the expansion packs. You could have all these cockpits together in your room. And I love it. So if you are interested, go to ACEBOTT.com, ACEBOTT.com, or contact the sales or contacts, send us message, WhatsApp, Skype if you are interested, and we are ready to provide more information for you. And welcome to ACEBOTT Smart Cockpits family. We will see you soon.